Have you ever felt like your brain was in a haze? This feeling of mental cloudiness is often called brain fog. It's not a medical diagnosis, but a term used to describe symptoms that affect your thinking. Brain fog can make it hard to focus, remember things, and make decisions. Imagine trying to find your keys in a messy room. That frustration, that's brain fog. The good news is, brain fog is often temporary. By understanding the causes and making positive changes, you can regain mental clarity. In this essay, we'll explore the signs, causes, and strategies to lift the fog and reclaim your cognitive clarity. Brain fog can manifest in various ways, making it tricky to pinpoint. Here are some telltale signs. Difficulty focusing. You find it hard to concentrate on tasks or conversations. Memory problems, forgetting appointments, or misplacing items becomes frequent. Mental fatigue. You feel mentally drained even after a good night's sleep. Slowed. Thinking, processing information, and finding the right words becomes challenging. Lack of clarity. Decision making becomes overwhelming. The symptoms can make you feel like your brain is shrouded in a dense fog. Recognizing these signs is the first step to addressing brain fog. Brain fog can significantly impact your life, leading to frustration and stress, work and productivity. It can make it difficult to concentrate and complete tasks efficiently. Relationships. Brain fog can affect communication, leading to misunderstandings. Social life. Socializing can feel draining, leading to isolation. Emotional well-being. The constant struggle can increase stress and anxiety. Imagine trying to write a report when your mind feels like it's filled with cotton balls, or having a conversation through a thick wall. These challenges can make everything feel harder. Understanding the impact of brain fog can help you find ways to cope. Causes of brain fog. Unveiling the culprits. Brain fog is often a symptom of an underlying issue. Identifying the culprits is crucial for finding solutions. Common causes include lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation disrupts your brain's natural processes, stress and anxiety. Chronic stress floods your brain with hormones that interfere with cognitive function. Poor diet. A diet lacking essential nutrients can deprive your brain of the fuel it needs. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function. Medical conditions. Thyroid disorders, hormonal imbalances, and autoimmune diseases can manifest as brain fog. It's important to rule out any underlying medical issues with your doctor. Addressing these causes can help alleviate brain fog. Lifting the fog. Practical tips for clarity and focus. Brain fog is often manageable with lifestyle changes and targeted strategies. Here are some practical tips. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Manage stress. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Nourish your brain. Adopt a brain-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood flow to the brain and enhances cognitive function. Stay mentally active. Challenge your brain with activities that require focus, memory, and problem solving. Think of sleep as recharging your brain's battery. Imagine stress as a knot in your brain that you need to untangle. Think of food as fuel for your brain. Keeping your brain fit and sharp can help lift the fog. Keep watching for such valuable information and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.